Hi, I'm Steven Carlep Rosario.
Hi, I'm Jericho MBDE.
Hi, I'm Bernie Lubidjaro.
I'm Christian Paul Mendoza.
And I'm Justin Michael Villapando. We're going to talk about RA 10915.
What is RA 10915?
RA 10915 is popularly known as the Philippine Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Act of 2016. Pero bago ang lahat, bumalik tayo sa nakaraan. Tara. Sa taong 1912, ang APCA na mas kilala sa tawag na UP Los Baños ngayong kasalukuyan ay nagtatag ng undergraduate na programa sa BSA, Major in Agricultural Engineering. Si Albert George Glott ang itinalaga bilang Associate Professor ng Agricultural Engineering at kauna-unahang Head of the Department of Agricultural Engineering.
Noong 1951, ang Araneta Institute of Agriculture na ngayon ay kilala bilang De La Salle Araneta University ay nagbukas ng pinto para sa Bachelor of Science in Agriculture Engineer 4-year degree program. Noong 1955 naman, ang Central Luzon State University Agricultural na dating CLAS ay nag-alok ng 4 na taong kursong Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Engineer.
At habang tumatagal, mas dumarami ang pamantasan na nag-o-offer ng kursong Agricultural Engineering.
Ito ay iilan lamang sa mga pamantasang nag-o-offer ng Agricultural Engineering sa ating bansa.
June 18, 1964, naitatag ang kauna-unahang batas na tinatawag na Philippine Agricultural Engineering Law na mas kilala sa tawag na RA 3927 at napagbisa early to mid of July ng taong yun sa pamumuno ni Pangulong Diosdado Macapagal.
At mas lalong yumabong at nakilala ang programang Agricultural Engineering sa ating bansa.
At sa panahong February 26, 1998, naaprubahan ni dating Pangulong Fidel V. Ramos ang Philippine Agricultural Engineering Act of 1998 na mas kilala sa tawag na RA 8559. Naging opisyal na epektibo noong March 21, 1998 ang Act Regulating Practices of Agricultural Engineering in the Philippines. Noong napagbisa ang batas na ito, nagkaroon ng 8 scope of practices in agricultural engineering.
Dumako naman tayo sa Republic Act 10915.
and Biosystems Act of 2014.
The practice of agricultural and biosystems engineering as we seek to achieve food security and safety. Our agricultural and biosystems engineers will be...
Ang Republic Act 10915, nakilala rin bilang Philippine Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering Act of 2016, ay isang mahalagang batas na naglalayong gawing profesional at pangasiwaan ang pagsasagawa ng Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering o ABET sa Philippines.
RA 10915 is an act strengthening, modernizing, and aligning the practice of agricultural engineering in the country into the internationally recognized practice of ABE and other purposes, printing press clip, old nerd highlighting the act.
Imagine the field of agricultural and biosystems engineering in the Philippines. Before 2016, while crucial, its practitioners operated under the less defined structure. Then came Republic Act 10915, a game changer. Think of its blueprint that clearly define what an agricultural and biosystems engineer is and what they are qualified to do. From designing smart irrigation to build sustainable farm.
So yung law, naka-create siya to protect us. Meron tayong protection in terms of ano ba yung coverage dapat na tayo ang mayroong kinalaman doon sa project na yun or sa specific project na lang na dapat may abe.
It is a must. No? It is a must not just because siguro sa CPD, pero it is a must for an individual agricultural systems engineer to learn. Kasi we are in a very rapidly changing environment, rapidly changing future when it comes to technologies.
Nung una kasi, parang walang direksyon yung agricultural engineering. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga courses or subject na pwede mong integrate dun sa agricultural engineering dati na naging agricultural biosystems, nakukonsider na to kasi yung ito yung improvement or yung pagbabago din ng mga core syllabus ng bagong agricultural biosystems engineering.